Hello everyone and welcome, it's Pamela here. Just to let you know, this won't be a very long voiceover for this video. I will be playing music in just a moment, so hopefully you can relax and enjoy the video. I just wanted to say I hope you're all having an amazing weekend and a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate it. Just to quickly let you know, this is a page in my Dylusions journal. It's actually the first page and first time I'm using it, and all the products I'll be using are Dylusions as well from Ranger. All of the products that I will use will be listed in the description box below, but if you do have any questions on the techniques or anything that I haven't addressed, then please leave me a comment and I'll be sure to answer you. Let me know as well, just if you enjoyed the video. I hope you do. It's a Christmas page. It's kind of different, as you can probably tell from the colours I'm using, but I really had fun with it and I like the way that it turns out, so hopefully you do too. Also, if you do enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel to grow and be shown to more people. And if you haven't already, why not consider subscribing. Sorry, I got a bit lispy there. That is going to be it from me for now then, because I obviously can't talk at the moment. But just once again to say I hope you're having a lovely weekend and I will catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.